What are you doing?
I'm playing Xbox.
Oh, why?
Because it's what I like to do.
You sound funny.
Huh?
Why do you sound funny?
Because I'm sick.
Why are you sick?
Because you were sick for like 4 months.
Because what?
Because you were sick for like 4 months.
Oh.
I was around all the time.
And you made fun of me.
I did not make fun of you.
Hold on. I'll turn this.
Wasn't too loud.
Maybe. I'm stuck. So what are you playing?
The Division.
Oh, I'm watching YouTubes. What are we gonna eat?
We're going to eat Pizza King.
Why?
Because you wanted Pizza King.
For like weeks.
Yeah.
I think I just hurt myself. Falling
Why
back.
did you hurt yourself?
Because I hurt myself.
Well, stop it.
I didn't mean to. I laid back and twisted weird to turn down the thingy. What's your shirt say?
I have issues.
Yes, you do. You want to talk? What did you think about the Deadpool movie?
This is one of the best movies ever made.
How was that?
Because it was almost a perfect Deadpool movie. Almost.
You know, I have it in my shopping cart on Amazon.
Is it out yet?
No, but you can pre-order it
Oh, well, that's good.
for like $18, $19, somewhere in there.
Well, that's not bad.
No.
Especially since it'll have extra stuff with it.
Yeah. You look really weird, at least in the viewfinder here. It looks like you're wearing like a hood over your head.
It's headphones.
I know, but I think it's the lighting. Yeah. You're not even paying attention to me, right?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Okay.
No, don't die.
Okay, so we film our trip to go pick up the pizzas. You know you want to.
Right now?
Well, in a minute.
Oh, yeah, once I'm done with this. Oh my god. How do I dodge that guy?
I have no idea. Run. What was I saying? Bob and weave.
Yeah.
Bob and weave.
Running doesn't work in this game. Hey.
Hi.
What are we doing?
Going to get the pizza. It's very cold out here.
A little bit.
It's like squeeged my funny bone.
You what?
Squeeged my funny bone.
You squeeged your funny bone.
Yes.
It's dark in the car.
Turn that down. Don't want to film that.
Oh, why not?
What'd you say? You don't have to have
I
it
said
like
it's
right
very
on me.
dark in here.
I got like a little. What the hell is that? I mean, I realize there's like really bad hair going on anyway, but it's very like fluffy right there. Stop touching me. Just like that louder.
That's because it's commercial.
Is there any cars coming?
No. They're all parked. Wish they didn't all park on this side. It makes it hard to see.
Yeah. So I don't know if we're doing anything for John's birthday because I asked Ashley, which his birthday is today. Happy birthday, John.
Yes, happy birthday, John. Those people match. They totally match. They got their matching North Face jackets. Anyways.
Well, we got him those 2 gifts. We got him like a Funko Pop figurine of Fallout.
It's the Pit Boy from Fallout.
And Thumpback or something from
Landers. Yeah, the whale
we
one.
didn't have, but she doesn't know. So I don't know if we were supposed to do cake or something. Cause I was going to get a cake and make a cake or buy a cake, but nobody told me what was going on. So, and I asked her just a little bit ago, and she said she didn't know. So, I don't know. And then he may be going somewhere or something with someone or something. So, I don't know. But anyway, so we're getting food instead, I guess. Which is really good because I've really been wanting Pizza King
Yes.
forever. And I better pay attention because I've not been paying attention
It's
to
okay.
where I'm going.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Which street is it on?
Is it, I think so. Yeah, that seems right.
Yeah. Oh, look, a portaloo.
Why is there that there?
I don't know. Maybe they're doing work on the church across the street.
Maybe.
I really like that house.
This one?
Yeah. That was a random thought.
It's okay.
Yes, there it is.
Yes.
We have a really weird pizza.
It's like a house. It probably was a house.
Or apartment slash building thing.
Probably was a house at one point.
It's still really good pizza, but
Well, don't they live right there? The people that work
maybe.
there or own it or whatever?
possibly. I don't know. Okay, I'll be back.
Okay, I'll be here. Say it again.
I said that when you first open the door, go outside, it smells really badly of burnt pizza crust. But it's still good pizza. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe it's their oven vent or something.
Maybe. I just stopped filming for a minute because I was hacking up a lung, and I'm sure that the people didn't want to hear that.
Why not?
I don't know. I figured some of them might find that rather disgusting.
Maybe. Try not to get in a car wreck here.
Oh, why not?
Okay. Yay, pizza.
Yay, pizza.
Yeah. And all of that was like only $26.
That's not bad.
Yeah, because it's like your own personal pizza, my own personal pizza. John and Ashley got wrap-ups.
Oh, is that what's in the bag?
I think so. And I got an extra pizza too, because I didn't know how big the personal pizzas were. And plus I wanted to try their Hawaiian. So I got a Hawaiian.
Okay. Look at the steam coming out of the box.
Yeah, well they should be hot, because they said 25 minutes, and I think we got there like almost exactly at the 25-minute mark.
I don't know if you can see the steam on the video or not, but there's lots of steam. Yeah, you can't really see it on the video. Are you excited to have Pizza King once again?
I am, because Pizza King pizza is really good, but it's really expensive.
Like it's the same
compared
people. Say.
To Pizza Hut. Which Pizza Hut, you can go online and get the $11 pizzas. But it's not like a freaking commercial. Anyway, but Pizza King pizza for the same size is like $20. So, and we got a flyer in the mail that they had a $5 menu right now, limited time, whatever. So, I was very excited.
Okay.
Which is going to be more like lunch, I know, because it's like 7 o'clock at night. But what time did you wake up?
I don't know. You tell me.
It was almost 4.
Oh. I didn't look at the clock. You woke me up.
Well, to be fair though, I woke up about maybe 1:30. And did I run a stop sign?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. You're the one driving.
Oh. Well, I forgot. Okay.
Just admit all your crimes on YouTube. It's okay. The people will only judge you a little bit.
Yay, we're here back at the Life with the Hartmans home.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, here's what we went out of our way to go get. This is a Hawaiian Pizza King pizza. Very yummy. And I think that's a Royal Feast.
And here's a meat feast.
And there's a meat feast. Which I think that's all Spencer ever eats.
It's meat. I'm a major carnivore.
Italian food and cheeses and whatever. So
I'm a man that knows what kind of food he likes.
but I think we're gonna end this here and have some yummy food.
Yes.
So let's say goodbye.
Bye.